Assalamu alaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network, Islamabad. Today's English headlines: Gilani appointed opposition leader in Senate. Pakistan People's Party candidate Yusuf Raza Gilani has been appointed as opposition leader in Senate. Pakistan successfully test fires Shaheen 1A ballistic missile. Pakistan successfully test-fired Shaheen 1A surface-to-surface ballistic missile. World Bank okayed $600 million grant for ASA's expansion. The World Bank approved $600 million in financing for crisis-resilient social protection program that will support Pakistan to expand the ASA's program to protect vulnerable households, increase resilience to economic shocks such as COVID-19 pandemic. Smartphone maker Xiaomi to make electric cars. Xiaomi plans to make electric vehicles using Great Wall Motors factory, said three people with direct knowledge of matter, making it the latest teach him to join the smart mobility race. 10 timeless songs by Sting to get you through the day. The iconic band Sting, comprising of band members Basil Kapadla and Bilal Maqsood, announced late on Thursday that they were disbanding after 33 years of delivering timeless hits. Two suspects confessed to murdering minor girl after rape in Rawalpindi. In a major development in a 9-year-old Zainab murder and rape case in Rawalpindi, police claim to have 3 suspects including a woman in the case. This is the end of today's news. Take care and keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.